If you are a content creator or video editor, then several AI video generators can be your best assistant. With the help of AI video generators, you can create whatever you want. But there is a catch. Most video generators produce low-resolution video clips, and almost all generate videos with unwanted objects like text or logos. To solve all these issues, today, I am going to introduce an AI tool called UniConverter 16 that can turn your low-quality videos into 4K videos and remove any unwanted objects with many other features. So watch the video till the end. Okay, what is Wondershare UniConverter? It's an all-in-one solution for superior video conversion, compression, and editing. In this video, I will discuss some of the very useful features of UniConverter 16. The link will be in the description. Just head over there and grab your own. Alright, this is the UniConverter 16 desktop interface. Here, you can notice some of the trending tools of UniConverter 16. Let's start with this Video Enhancer tool. It can automatically enhance videos for clearer quality with fluid motion. Here we have to upload the video clip. I have created this video clip using an AI video generator. You can see the quality of the video. It's blurry and of very low quality. There is some unwanted text at the top of the video. Now let's assume I want to improve the quality and remove the text. First, I will use the AI Video Enhancer. So, I am clicking here and uploading the video clip. Once the video is uploaded, we have to set the AI model. Here you will find 4 options: Video Enhancement, Denoise, Video Upscaler, and Frame Interpolation. First of all, let's enhance the video. Once the AI model is selected, click on the Preview button from here to see a preview. Once the analysis is completed, you will see a before and after preview of the video clip. You can notice that the after version is super clear and crisp. Now, to save the enhanced version to your device, click on the Export button from here. It will take some time to enhance the video. And here it is, the video has been saved. Let's have a look. You can see that the video is now high quality and clear. Now it looks like a perfect high quality video. You can see the before and after versions of the same video. The result is amazing. Now if you think there is something more that needs to be improved, then come back to UniConverter. Here you will find denoise options. If your video has extreme noise, then use this tool to make a smoother version. Simply click on the Replace button from here, and then upload the enhanced version of the video. Now select the denoise model from here and then click on Preview. Once the analysis is done, you can see the before and after versions. As our video clip is already enhanced and there is not so much noise in the video, you may not notice many differences between the before and after versions. However, if your video is noisy or grainy like this, then you can use this feature. For example, I am replacing the video with this file. Once the video is uploaded, select the Denoise tool and then click on the Preview button. Now you can see the before and after versions. This is just amazing. To save the video to your device, click on the Export button. And here it is. The video is ready. Okay, our next enhancement feature is Upscale. With this tool, you can turn your low-resolution video clips into a 4K video. After selecting the Upscale tool, select the upscale value of the video. After that, click on the Preview button. Once done, click on the Export button. And our 4K video has been saved to our device. This is the before and after version. Okay, our last but not least feature is frame interpolation. If your video's frame rate is very low and looks choppy, then you can use this tool to improve the frame rate and enhance the quality. You can increase the frame rate up to 100 frames per second. After selecting the value, preview the video. And once done, export it to your device. Now let's see the final video after enhancing. This is our original video clip, and this is the final video clip after enhancing using Video Enhance, Upscale, and Frame Interpolation. I think now our video is of much better quality and looks like a pro-level video. So don't worry about low-quality video clips. Just use UniConverter and your problem is solved. Alright, now let's talk about how you can remove the text or unwanted objects from the video. To do that, come to the Video Tools tab. Here you will find all the AI tools to improve your video. This time, we have to select this tool. Once this pop-up appears, click here and then upload the video clip. I uploaded the enhanced video clip. Once the video is uploaded, we have to select the area of the unwanted object. Simply mark the area. Once done, come to the right side. Here we have to select the AI model. You can select between basic and quality. If you select quality, it will take more time but produce better results. And if you only want a Gaussian blur in the area, then you can use the standard model instead of the AI model. I will go with the quality AI model. Okay, now if your video has unwanted objects in multiple places, then you can add more areas from here. Once your area and settings are set, you can see the preview. If everything is fine, like me, simply click on the export button from here and then wait for some time. And here it is. Our final video is ready. Let's have a look. This is amazing. You can see how seamlessly it removed the object. It looks like there was nothing before. So, don't worry about any unwanted objects if you have UniConverter 16. This is not the end. You can generate and edit subtitles using UniConverter, and you can even edit the video using UniConverter. Not only video, but you can also enhance images. There are so many AI tools available to customize your images. In the audio section, you will find tools to generate voiceovers from text, remove vocals, noise remover, voice changer, speech to text, and many more. I will talk about these features in another video. In conclusion, if you are facing a problem with low-quality video clips and want to get rid of it, you should try UniConverter 16 because it is much more than a simple video enhancer. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience enhancing low-quality videos using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.